Most business owners I talk to right now feel the same thing. AI is everywhere. Tools keep popping up, everyone's saying you need it, but no one's really explaining how to use it without wasting time or blowing things up. That's why I read the book AI Edge by Jeb Blount. I give this book a solid 8 out of 10. And what stood out wasn't some crazy futuristic idea, it was actually pretty simple. The businesses winning with AI aren't the ones using the most tools. They're the ones using it with intention. I'll give you a quick example. A small service business owner I know started using AI to respond to leads faster. Nothing fancy, just faster replies, better follow-ups, cleaner handoffs into their CRM. Within a couple of months, their close rate went up. Not because they changed their offer, just because they showed up faster and more consistently. That's the kind of stuff AI Edge talks about. It's not about replacing your team or turning your business into some tech company. It's about finding small points in your day where time gets wasted and fixing those first. One thing the book makes really clear: AI should support decisions, not make them for you. That's where a lot of people get this wrong. They try to automate everything: pricing, messaging, client communication, and it starts to feel robotic. Clients notice and things slip. The smarter approach is using AI to handle the repetitive work so you can focus on the parts that actually need judgment. Another big idea: speed compounds. If you respond to a lead in 5 minutes instead of 5 hours, that changes outcomes. If your internal processes run faster, your whole business feels easier to operate. It's not one big leap. It's a bunch of small improvements stacking up. There's also a piece in the book about data. Most small businesses are sitting on valuable information: client behavior, buying patterns, seasonal trends, but they're not using it. AI helps you actually see it and act on it, but only if your systems are set up properly. Otherwise, you just get noise. And this ties into something I see all the time. People rush into AI tools without thinking about structure. No clear workflows, no ownership, no plan for how it fits into the business. That's where things break. AI Edge pushes a different mindset. Start small, be clear about the outcome. Build around your actual business, not what some tool says you should do. And honestly, that's the part most owners need to hear. Because you don't need 10 tools. You need a few things that actually work and a system around them that makes sense. If you're looking at AI right now and feeling a bit scattered, that's normal. The goal isn't to do everything. It's to pick the right things, set them up the right way, and build from there. That's how you actually get an edge.